In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Stripe account. It'll be a straightforward process that will only take a few minutes of your time. Whether you're starting a new business or just want to manage transactions more efficiently, creating a Stripe account is a crucial step. So let's dive into the instructions and get you set up. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Stripe website. To do this, simply type Stripe into your search engine and it should appear as one of the top results. Click on that link and you'll be directed to the Stripe homepage. Here, you will find a variety of options, but for now, our focus is on getting you signed up or signed in. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a prominent button labeled Sign In. Click on it. Now you have a couple of options. If you're already using a Google account for other services and want the convenience of not having to remember another password, you can opt to sign in through Google or Single Sign-On, commonly known as SSO. This step can be a great time saver and ensure your credentials are secure. However, if you're starting from scratch and need to create a new account, you'll look for the option that says Create an Account. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be greeted by a form asking for some basic information. Begin by entering your email address. Make sure it's an email you check frequently since Stripe will use this for important communication and verification purposes. Next, input your full name. Using your full legal name can help avoid any complications, especially when verifying your identity later on. Now you'll want to create a strong password. It's always a good idea to choose a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's as secure as possible. Remember, this password needs to protect your financial data, so make it robust and unique. After you've set up your password, you'll choose your country from a drop-down menu. This is important for Stripe to configure your account correctly, considering currency preferences and local regulations. When you're ready, click that Create Account button, and just like that, you've got yourself a brand new Stripe account. Congratulations! With these steps, setting up your Stripe account should be a breeze. Exploring your dashboard will familiarize you with the features available to streamline your financial operations. Thanks for joining us today, and happy selling with Stripe. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.